Hello students, today we're going to discuss SOF Class 2 IMO Set B Year 2015. We'll start with logical reasoning. The best method is to do with me and then check your answer. Question number 1. Find the missing figure. So here what we need to do, we have to find the missing figure. So here we have a grid matrix. This particular box contains a triangle. This is half of a triangle. This is another half of a triangle. These two join to form this one. Similar logic follows for this also. Semicircle, semicircle join together to form a circle. So here what we have some part of present here. That means we need this part more to make a square. So where are part present? Part is present. It's present in option B. So option B plus given part will make a square. Question number 2. Find the odd one out. Here we have a rhombus, 4 sides. Option B is also containing 4 sides. Option C is containing 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But in option D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. That means this is the odd one out. Question number 3. Bina is taller than Megha. So let's write B here. Bina is taller than Megha. So I have written like this. Megha is taller than Priya. Okay, Megha is taller than Priya. We have written it like this. Latika is taller than Bina. So if you compare Latika and Beena, Latika is taller than Beena. That means Latika will come here. Latika is taller than Beena. Four girls, Latika will be the tallest. Who among is the tallest? So Latika will be the tallest because Latika is taller than Beena. So Latika is the tallest one. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 4. Mohit starts his football practice on 2nd December 20 any year. He practices for 8 days and then goes for 1 week break. Again he practices for 3 days. His practice finishes on which day? He starts his football practice on December 2nd. So from 2nd December he is starting his practice and now he practices for 8 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No information about Sunday is given as it's a break or not. So he practices for 8 days. That means till 9th of December. Then he goes for a 1 week break. So he goes for a 1 week break. Okay. Now he practices again. So 1 week break, that means till 16 he is having a break. Right? Now he practices again for 3 days. So he will start. These are just crossing break days. So he will take break from 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These cross means break days. Now he'll again resume his practice from 17 and for 3 days 17, 18, 19. So his practice finishes on 19. Now next question number 5. There are dash triangles, dash squares and dash circles in the given figure. So what we need to do? We need to count triangles, squares and circles. So let's count triangles first. So in tree we have not any triangle, but here second figure shows many triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles here. 7 beak, then 8 and 9. 9 triangles, option A and option C. Okay, so we have total 9 triangles. Next is squares. Can you see square anywhere? I don't see. So I think there are no squares, 0 squares. That means option C, not A. Now, circles. Let's count circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 circles. We have 22 circles, but it is showing 24 circles. This means that none of these, option D is the correct answer for question number 5. Next question, question number 6. Find the missing number. Okay. We have 4 colored squares here. So this is this yellow one which I'm highlighting. This is our orange square. We have 4 squares: orange, green, purple and pink. So what I am observing, each square has some number that sum up to 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. Then 5 plus what is 12? 5 plus 7. So option B, 7 will be the correct answer for question number 6. Now question number 7. If clown G and clown E interchange their positions, where is G? Clown G and clown E interchange their position. Interchange means G will go there, they will exchange their positions. So here we have E and this will be the position for G. Now, then clown dash is at the left end. See, whatever interchange we have made in the middle, the left end is not get affected by that. So left end still is having D. This is the right end. So this one will be the left end. Left end is still having D at left. So option A is the correct answer for question number 7. Question number 8. Here. Number 5 belongs to group dash. Okay, so this is times 3, this is times 2, this is times 4, and this is times 5. So to group S, number 5 belongs. So group S means C. Question number 8, C option is correct. Next question, question number 9. Which is the longest pin? So if you observe, I think Q is the longest pin, right? Q is the longest pin. Now, what we need to do, let's write their measurement, their length, because we have a scale. So P is starting from 3 and it ends at 10. So from 3 to 10, that means 10 minus 3. P is 7 centimeter. Now let's do the same for Q. It's starting from 0 and it's ending at 9. Q is 9 centimeter. R is 8 centimeter. And S starting from 7 and ending here at 12. 12 minus 7, that means 5 centimeter. Now tell me which one has the largest value? 9 centimeter, that is Q. So option B containing Q is here. So option B is correct for question number 9. Question number 10. Question number 10. Here is there certain relationship between the figures 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. We have to identify the missing figure here as per the same, following the same relationship. Okay, so here what's happening? Figure 1 and 3 are related. 1 is interlinked to 3. So 2 will have sub-relation with 4. That means we have to find the relation between 1 and 3 so that we can use that relation and find the question mark. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles and a circle. So what I feel, here it is joint figure and here we have removed those triangles. So we'll follow the same. This option 2 is having 4 triangles. So we will detach 4 triangles like this, right? And at the center it is having a circle. So this will be our figure. So this means that option B is the correct answer for question number 10. Next question. Question number 11 from mathematical reasoning. Which of the following number sentence best describes the picture shown below? Number sentence for the picture here. So what we can see, we here some monkeys. Each picture contains two monkeys. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pictures containing two monkeys each. So what we can do? 8 times 2 or 8 plus 8 or 2 plus 2. How many times? 8 times, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So which option is present here? 2 plus 2 times, it's 2 plus 8. No, 2 times 8 is correct, not 2 plus 8. Because we have 16 monkeys. If we solve these options, A will give us 8 monkeys. No, it's wrong. We can see 16 monkeys in the picture, right? 8 plus 2 is giving us 10. So this is also wrong. Option B, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16. This is giving us 16. So it will be the answer. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. This is 8 times 8, 64. Are there 64 monkeys? No. So option B is correct. Next question we have is question number 12. 500s, 2 ones. 500s, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. This is 5 at hundreds place and 2 at ones place. Nothing at tens, so it will be 0. Plus 200s, ones, tens, hundreds, 200s, 7 tens, 9 ones is equal to ones, tens, hundreds, 700s, what tens and 1 ones. Okay, let's find. So what we need to do here, we have to add these two numbers. 502 plus 279. So 9 plus 2 is 11, carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Now the answer is having 7 and 1 and it wants tens place to be filled. So we have 8 at tens place. Our tens place is containing 8. That means option B is correct. Question number 13. For e less than 368. For e less, we have to subtract 40 from 368. Okay, let's do 368 vertical method of subtraction. 8 minus 0 is 8, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 3 bring down 328. So 400, these two are wrong. Now we have 328 tens and 328 ones. So it's 300, right? 2 tens, 8 ones. Or we can say 328 ones. But 28 tens, this is wrong. 28 tens means 280, right? This means that option A is the correct answer for question number 13. Question number 14. We are having is observe the weighing scale. Observe the weighing scale given below and find the total weight of five such pumpkins. Okay, kids? One pumpkin plus 2 kg gives us 2 kg plus 3 pumpkins. So, 1 pumpkin plus 2 kg is equal to 2 kg plus 3 pumpkins. So, if we just remove weight of 2 kgs from each side, we will have 1 pumpkin left and 3 kg left. That means the weight of 1 pumpkin is 3 kg. 1 pumpkin is 3 kg. We have to find 5 such pumpkins. 5 pumpkins is equal to how much? So 1 to 5, 1 to many we will multiply. 5 times 3 is what? 15 kg. Next question, question number 15. Find the value of V minus W. So we have V and W here. V 1 minus 1, subtract 1 minus 1 is 0. V minus 1 is 9. So the number from which if we subtract 1 we get 8 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So the value of V will be 9, right? Now 7 minus 6 is W. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So W will be equal to 1. V is 9, W is 1. And V minus W, that means 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, which is present here in option B. So for question number 15, option B is the correct answer. Next question. How many groups of four soldiers can be formed from the given soldiers? Okay, so let's count total soldiers present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have a total of 24 soldiers and we have to group in 4 soldiers each. So what we'll do? 24 divided by 4. We will get 6. So there will be 6 groups of 4 soldiers each. That will give us 24. Next question we have is question number 17. The clock shows the time in the morning. What was the time 2 hours ago? 2 hours ago means from 9 to 8 8 to 7. 2 hours ago, it would be 7:05 a.m. Option A is correct, right? Simply, it's showing 9:05. 2 hours, that means minus 2. We'll get 5 minutes here and 7. 7 hours, 5 minutes. 7 a.m. Because it's morning, so we'll select a.m., not p.m. Now, question number 18. Room temperature is 5 degrees Celsius more than temperature shown in the given thermometer. The room temperature is 5 degrees Celsius more than the temperature shown here. The temperature shown here is 25 degrees Celsius plus 5 will be 30 degrees Celsius. So the room temperature is option B, 30 degrees Celsius, correct answer. Next question, question number 9. Which abacus shows 436? Okay, so hundreds place will contain 4, tens place will contain 3, and ones place is having 6. So option A is wrong, ones place is having 2. Option B, hundreds place is having 4, correct. Ones, tens place is having 3. Let's count ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is the correct answer for option. B is the correct answer for question number 19. Next question. Question number 20. If one frog stands for 15, one frog is equal to 15, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frogs stand for. So 1 too many, we will multiply. 15 times 6, that is equal to 90. So for question number 20, option B is correct. Next question, question number 21. From everyday mathematics. Saif has 124 coins. Asha has 135 more coins than Saif. So this is not the value or the number of coins Asha has, but it's the comparison value. How many coins does Asha have? So Saif is having 124 coins, right? Asha is having 135 more. More means plus coins of Saif. So 135 plus 124. Let's add them up. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 259 coins Asha is having. Question number 22. A forest had 856 trees. 289 trees were cut down. How many trees were left? What's the meaning of left? Left means subtract. So initially number of trees in the forest, it was 856. How many trees were cut down? 289. That means we have to subtract 289 to get left number of trees in the forest. So this is 6. So we need to take borrow from 5. It will be 4. It will be 16. 16 minus 9. What it will be? 7. Now 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we'll again take borrow. It will be 7. It will be 14. 14 minus 8. It will be 6. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. 567 trees are there left in the forest. Question number 22 option C is correct. Next question, question number 23. At a shop, Meena chose a 250 rupee t-shirt, a 350 rupees skirt, and a 100 rupees belt. Okay, the cost of t-shirt is 250 rupees. Cost of skirt is 350 rupees and cost of belt is 100 rupees. How much did she have to pay altogether? That means we need to add it. Altogether means plus. 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1, 7. She has to pay 700 rupees altogether. Option B for question number 23. Question number 24 now. Diksha sold 476 cups of jelly and had 241 cups of jelly left. How many cups of jelly did How many cups of jelly did Disha have at first? Sold plus left is equal to total, right? She sold 476 cups and she is having 241 left. So the sum will be the number of cups she was having initially. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 717. Option A is correct. Next question, question number 25. There are 3 plates of cherries on the table. Each plate contains 1 cherry. So from this particular line, we have got the information that, okay, I'm writing, just a sec, as given, each plate is equal to 4 cherries, right? Each plate means 1 plate. 1 plate is equal to 4 cherries. Then 3 plates. There are 3 plates on the table. How many cherries are there on the 3 plates? 1 too many, we have to multiply. So 4 times 3, we will get 12 cherries. Right, kids? So 12 means option B is the correct for question number 25. Next question, question number 26. A hotel has 8 floors. A hotel is equal to 8 floors. Can we write one hotel? A hotel means one hotel. One hotel is equal to 8 floors. On each floor, there are 31 rooms. Each floor, each floor is equal to 31 rooms. Each means one floor. One floor is equal to 31 rooms. How many rooms does the hotel have altogether? So there are 8 floors. One floor has 31 rooms. Then 8 floors will be having 8 times 31 rooms. That means 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. So it will be 248 rooms altogether. Next question. Question number 27. There are 427 houses on one side of the road and 398 houses on the other side. How many houses are there along the road? That means how many houses are there altogether? So what we need to do? We need to add 427 and 398. 8 plus 7 is 15. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry over 1. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 8. 825. Option D is correct. Next question. Question number 28. Kavya is 112 centimeters. Anya is 15 centimeters taller than Kavya. What is the total height of both the girls? So height of Kavya is 112 centimeters, right? Height of Anya is 15 centimeter. Anya is, it's not the value, right? It's the comparison value. So height of Anya is 15 plus Kavya. That means 112. So we will be adding 5 plus 2 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1. So Anya is actually 127 centimeters. What's the total height? Total means we will be adding height of Anya plus Kavya is equal to 112 plus 127. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 239. That means option A is correct. Next question. Question number 29. Pawan has 20 pencils. He shares it equally with his brother. How many pencils does each of them have? So how many pencils are there? 20 pencils. So here it's sharing between Pawan and his brother. How many people are there? 2. Pawan and his brother. So we will divide 20 pencils between 2. Pawan and his brother. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. That means both will get 10 10 each. For question number 29, it's B part, the correct answer. Next, question number 30. There are 350 apples and 360 oranges. How many fruits are there all together? So what we do, kids, when it's all together? Yes, we add. So 350 apples plus 360 oranges, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 6 is 11, carry over 1, 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1, 7, 710. Where 710 is written? 701? No. 710. For 30, option D is correct. Now we'll discuss achiever section. Achiever section, question number 31. If circle plus circle is 2, circle plus square is 5, square plus triangle is 6, and circle, square, circle, triangle is equal to a star. Find the value of each shape respectively. So let's start breaking down. So we just focus here. Okay. We have two circles equal to, we are adding two circles and it gives us 2. So which number is added to itself gives us 2? It's very easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we know that the value of circle is 1. So now what this equation says, circle plus square is 5. So circle is 1. 1 plus what is 5? 1 plus 4 is 5. So circle is 1, square is 4. Now next we have here, we have a square and a triangle that when we add them gives 6. We know that square is 4. 4 plus what gives us 6? 4 plus 2. So the triangle we have is equal to 2. Now come to the last equation. Here we have to find the value of star. Circle we know is 1. Then triangle is 2. Again triangle is 2. What's the total value? 2 plus 2 plus 1. That means the star is equal to 5. Respectively, first we have to tell circle, then square, then triangle, then star. Okay? Circle, square, triangle, star. We need to, respectively, what's the meaning of word respectively? Respectively means following the sequence. Which sequence we need to follow? Here, this sequence. We have to tell the value of circle first. So circle is 1. Every option is having 1 first. Then square. Square is 4. So 1, 4 and 1, 4. We cannot select C and D as C is having 3 and C is having 2 as the value of square and B is having 3 as the value of square, and we have the value of triangle 2, not the square 2. So B and C cut. Now 1 for circle, for square it's 4, 2 done. Now we have to tell the value of triangle. So triangle is what? 2. So 2 is the third shape, right? So option A and D are correct till triangle. Now the last. Now star. Star is 5. Now in option D, value of star is 7. So it will be wrong. Value of star is 5. That means circle is 1, square is 4, triangle is 2 and star is 5. Option A is correct. Right? Next question. Question number 32. Select the correct match. Okay. We have four options and three values P, Q, R. We have to select the correct match. 180 tens. 180 tens means, sorry, 18 tens. 18 tens means 18. Place 10 in front of 18. It will become 180. 18 tens plus 12 ones. 12 ones means 12 only. So let's add them. It will be 192. So yes, Q is correct. And what's written? 108 to 8. This R, the value of R here is wrong. So option A is wrong. Next is 24 tens. What is 24 tens? 200. Option B we are solving here. 240. 150 ones. 150 ones means 150 only. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 5, not possible. So we'll take a carry. It will be 1. And this will be 14. 14 minus 5. Yes. Na. 9. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So 90. 90 is the answer, but it's written 85 here. So option B is wrong. Option C. Let's check option C. 70 tens, that means 700. 5 tens minus 50. It will be 650. This is correct. 650. Option C is completely correct. So we have got our answer. Let's do option D also. We have got our answer. Like in exam, you need not to solve option D, but here we are just solving as a question. 184 ones, that means 184 only. 216 ones, so it will be 216 only. 4 plus 6 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 2, 3, 4. 400, it's written 490. So D is also wrong. Next question, question number 33. If the day before yesterday was Sunday, day before yesterday. This is DBY. DBY means day before yesterday. Okay. Day before yesterday, information about day before yesterday is given to us. That is Sunday. Day before yesterday was Sunday. Then day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. So what comes after day before yesterday? Day before yesterday, then yesterday comes, then today comes, then tomorrow comes, then day after tomorrow comes. Right? So if it's Sunday, this will be Monday. Then we will be having today as Tuesday. Then tomorrow will be Wednesday. And day after tomorrow will be Thursday. That means Thursday. That means option A is the correct answer. Find the correct sign in the box. Okay, 325 plus 129. 325 plus 129. We have to add. Okay, add. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 to 1 is 5 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 43. Okay, let's subtract 43. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 4. This whole is 411, a box, and here we have to solve 412 plus 63. Let's add. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4. Now what we need to do? Minus 83. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 8 is not possible. So what we'll take? We'll take borrow. It will be 17. 17 minus 8. What it will be? 9. Now 392. We have to compare 411 and 392. 411 will be the greater one. So question number 34 will be having A option correct. Now question number 35. What is the weight of ball B? We have to find the weight of ball B. Here we have 6 balls, 2 balls of A, 2 balls of B and 2 balls of C. 2 balls of A, 2 balls of B and 2 balls of C. Together the weight is between 6 and 8. So which is the number which comes between 6 and 8? That's 7. 7 comes between 6 and 8. Now here 2 balls of A, 2 balls of C and 1 ball of B is equal to what comes between 4 and 6? 5. So these 2 balls of A, 2 balls of C and 1 ball of B together they form 5 kg. If we remove 2 balls, understand, focus here. If we remove 2 balls of A, 2 balls of C and 1 ball of B, that means this. So we will be subtracting 5 from here. 2 balls of A we have taken out, 2 balls of C we have taken out and 1 ball of B we took out. So here only 1 ball B will be left and it will be 5 less. Weight will be 5 less. So 7 minus 5 means 2 kg. Weight of B, ball B will be 2 kg. Option B is the correct answer.